Straid. Gabe Kirkhoff, mae'r tafliad yn mynd. Dan Jeffries. Tuag at y canol. Peniad Lee Jenkins allan at Kai Whitmore. Ashley Evans yn ennill y peniad. Meddiant dal efo Pen-y-bont i'r canol! O, mergyd gan Chris Venables! Croesiad hyfryd gan Kane Owen! A Venables ar y foli! Wel, allwch chi ddim taro hi'n well na hynny. Tafliad tuag at Gabe Kirkhoff yn y cwrt Cosby. Mae nôl i Elliot Richards. A rywsyd. Dwi'n bod hwnna'n taro Chris Venables. Elliot Richards a'i ergyd. Mae'n gwiro yn angharedig i Pen-y-bont. Kai Whitmore yn derbyn y bêl gan Iori Humphries. Laen gan Humphries. Tuag at Rion Dyer. Ôl i Humphries, a'r bas tuag at y canol, yn canfod Martel Taylor Crossdale. Mae 'na ergyd, mae 'na arbediad gwych, a mae 'na i atal Ben Fawcett. Cyfle gwych i Hwlffordd. Kai Whitmore ar ymyl y cwrt Cosby yn trio canfod chydig bach o le. Rio Dyer sydd efo fo. Rhys Abrasesi'n croesi. Honna yn syth i ddwylo Adam Prisbeck, ac mi fydd 'na drosedd arno fo, ond fyna Iori Humphries yn neidio mewn ar y golwr. Dol hwnna byth yn mynd i gyfri nag oedd. Griffiths tuag at y gornel, a dyna'r chwiban ola. Pen-y-bont wedi ennill. Pen-y-bont sy'n cipio'r 7th safle. A Pen-y-bont fydd yn chwarae yng ngema ail gyfle Ewrop.
We won that because the players were so resolute, so determined, so honest, and like tactic. I can't take any credit for today because, you know, we're changing the shape and everything, but at the end of the day, they just had to dig in and keep the ball out the net, and that's what they did. I don't think Haverfordwest had many chances, but they certainly had a lot of ball and a lot of pressure, territorially anyway.
I've done lot o bwysau yn y diwedd. Wni os o nofan byddwn ni'n cael gol gynnar a'n goffod amddiffyn trwy'r gêm. Ond chi'n bod, yn y 5 gêm ddoth ni wedi cael 5 llech yn lan, so ni'n gwybod ni'n gallu amddiffyn, ni'n drefnus yn y cefn, felly, just lawr i guts a determination yn y diwedd, a falch i cael y 3 pwynt.
You probably haven't scored many as good as that this season.
Yeah, not this season, no. The ball's come across to me quite quickly, really, and to be fair, I haven't had a lot of time to think about it, so just try to get good contact on it, and obviously pleased to see it flying. But the lads have put a massive shift in all over the pitch, you know, to a man. We've been superb today, and I think we deserve what we got.
We always knew today was going to be tough, and to give them an early goal was disappointing, but I thought after the goal, I thought we were excellent, and just unfortunately just nothing dropped for us and we couldn't get that equaliser.
As the team finishing 7th, often you go into these games with momentum. Is that the case you feel for you as well?
Well, we've certainly got momentum, and I think that's our 5th clean sheet in a row. But obviously Newtown are huge favourites because they're the 3rd or the 4th best team in the league this year. I'm over the moon that we finished where we deserved to finish, which is 7th. I thought Haverfordwest were brilliant today, but it would have been a travesty in my opinion if we hadn't finished 7th where we deserved to be.